Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got mine from Sephora, so I don't know how ABH does their shipping. All I know is that shipping to Canada would have been like 16 bucks, so I just waited for it to come to my Sephora, and it did. Ta-da! So pretty. This is my favorite glow kit. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've already like messed up the pans because I use it every day. Like, I'm not even kidding, I use it every day. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of this palette. Cost-wise, it's pretty much the same as any other glow kit. It's good in my opinion. More on the high-end side, but that's how ABH is. The quality of the highlighters are amazing. If you like glitter, then you're gonna like this glow kit. But if you don't like glitter, then you should probably stay clear of this because it's glittery. Very, very, very glittery. It's not really metallic, it's just glittery. If you're like me, that's fine because I really like it. But if you don't like glitter, you may just want to swatch it at Sephora or Ulta and, you know, go from there. Out of all the shades, my favorite is Unicorn, which is that pink one, which is also what I have on my cheek. It's such a pretty shade. It's definitely my favorite and my most used shade. I don't really have any highlighters that I could dupe this with or even compare it with. The other glow kits have nothing similar to this in my opinion, so really, if you like ABH as much as I do and you like glitter, this is definitely gonna be for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little review. If you have any questions, you know, just comment them. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!